and China, President Xi Jinping, for offering to provide us with the vaccine as soon as it is possible for distribution to the public. I cannot overemphasize my debt of gratitude. But remember that this is not for free. For after all, they did not develop the vaccine without great expense, and also the human effort involved. Bibilihin natin yan. Kaya lang kung mahal, if it is quite expensive, then I will ask my friend President Putin and President Xi Jinping to give us a credit, parang utang, credit line, but we will pay not in one payment but by installments. Basta ang sinasabi ko, magbayad tayo, hindi ito libre. We always tell them that we are willing, and if we are short of money by this time, because all of the economy of the world, individual countries have fallen flat. Lahat ngayon nagkakaroon ng economic hemorrhage. It is uncontrollable because people cannot really work, they cannot be productive, and so you have a problem at hand. Sa Singapore, ganun rin. Ang sabi ninyo na pumunta ako, look, let me be very frank. If I want to go to Singapore, I will go to Singapore. If it is a private undertaking, or if I want to attend the burial of a friend, or to pay a visit sa wake, I will go there, fly in, fly out. But alam mo, kung gusto kong umalis, o alis ako, I do not have to keep it separate. Because I will not be using at any government funds. Hindi ko ugali yan. And there has been no trip so far that I have undertaken outside of the Philippines using government funds. If at all I go out, it's official, and it is just right that wala naman akong pera pagbayad ng the entourage that goes with me. Hindi ko ito. Bakit ko taguin? Hindi naman ako gaya ng ibang salbahis na magamit ng pera ninyo. At bakit isakrito ko? I am under no obligation to travel in secret and not telling the Republic at all. I am a citizen of this country. The right to travel is guaranteed. Kung guaranteed sa inyo, hindi guaranteed yan sa akin. And I do not have to fight it. I said, I am not be stupid to use government funds. Malalaman ng tao. So stop this nonsense.
Pusin muna po natin guys.